Today, Bio360 Europe is honored to introduce Cecilie Drange, CEO of Sandcatch Solutions AS.
Imagine boosting your biogas production because you no longer need to shut down to remove sand and debris from your digesters. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Hi, my name is Cecilie Drange and I'm the CEO of Sandcatch Solutions. We help biogas plants remove sand and debris without any shutdowns, keeping your production high and your output running. At Bio360, I'll share how we've taken proven and tested technology from the oil and gas industry and adapted it to a non-intrusive cleaning solution for the biogas industry. And I'll show you real results from real operations, showing how some of our clients have saved over 80% of their cleaning costs related to operations and increased their production. Join me on the Wednesday afternoon for the innovation session, where I'll take you through our history and show you how you can transform your cleaning strategy. I look forward to seeing you in Nantes at the Bio360 Europe session. See you there.